Welcome to our tutorial on setting up your Canvas course homepage template. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of bringing in our homepage template to your Canvas course via the Canvas Commons. This template can serve as your course's personalized landing page to give your students valuable course information prior to the start of the term. Let's get started. If you haven't already done so, log into your MCC account and go to Canvas. Once in Canvas, navigate to the Commons area on your global navigation. Once you're in Commons, you should see the template as one of your first options. If you don't see it though, it's no big deal. It can be found via a search. Once you locate the template, click on it, and you'll see an option to import or add to your course. Simply choose the course or courses you would like to add it to. In this case, I'm only going to add it to one course, but you can select multiple if you choose. And click Import into Course. You should receive a message that the course import has started. Now you can navigate back to your course to check the progress. You should find the course in the unpublished area of your Canvas dashboard. And if you want to check on the progress of the import, you can go to Settings in your course and then Import Course Content. And you should see that it has imported. So once we can confirm that it's been imported, we can navigate to the Pages area of our Canvas course. And when we open this up, we might see a home page or a front page, as Canvas called it, has been selected. We can get to all of our pages by clicking on the View All Pages button in the upper left-hand corner. And now we simply locate our imported page and we click on it to open it up. As you can see, the template is now ready for you to personalize. In the upper right-hand corner, click Edit. And now you can personalize the page by adding your course-specific information such as a bio, course details, images, contact information, and any other relevant content. Once you're done updating, be sure to scroll down and click Save. Now you want to set the page as your front page so that you can set it as your home page. To do that, click on View All Pages. And over on the far right, along the same line, you will see menu dots. Click on those menu dots and choose Use as Front Page. Once you do that, you will see a label stating that it is the front page. Now we'll want to set the front page as our course home page. To do that, click on Home. And over on the far right, you'll see Choose Home Page. You'll see that you have various options here. You will want to choose Pages Front Page and click Save. This will set your customized page as your course's home page, as you can see here. The last thing you want to do is make this course available to your students. But before we do that, we're going to want to streamline our navigation. You can see that we have a lot of things here that we don't need our students to be able to see. We'll also want to go into the modules area and make sure that our course content is all unpublished because we don't want our students participating yet. As you can see, all those modules, in this case, in this test course, are unpublished. To streamline your course navigation, go to Settings, the Navigation tab. You can see we have a lot of items that are available to the students. In most cases, we can get rid of everything except for a few items. So things like the items that I'm bringing down right now are not important. Ultimately, you can make the decision on what you need to have in your course navigation, but keep in mind that things like assignments, quizzes, discussions, pages, etc. can be found in the modules area of the course. Once you've selected your items, go down and click Save, and that will streamline the view for your students. You will still see a lot of the items, but keep in mind the I crossed out icon means that the students will not see it. Back to our home page, we are ready to publish. You can go ahead and click on the Publish in the upper right-hand corner. And now your course will show up for your students on their dashboard. So if I choose a student view here and refresh it, we should see that course tile has been added to our students' dashboard. There it is, New Course 101. And when the student enters the course, You can see the Streamline navigation. You can also see the course homepage, giving the student important information about your course. And there you have it. You have successfully brought in a template homepage, personalized it, and set it as the front page of your Canvas course. Once your course starts, you can easily adjust your homepage to modules, a different page, or whatever you choose following the previous steps for setting your course homepage. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to the MCC service desk at montcalm.edu to get the support you need. Have a great day.